Hi, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. My name is Koosje Koenen and I love drawing. And I'm here to get you going and keep you going on your drawing journey. Remember how you felt when you were a kid and you could spend hours drawing? The freedom you felt, the flow you were in. No judgment, no fear. I try to often go back to that feeling. It really needs practice because you need to let go and loosen up. And when I look at my sketchbook pages, I can tell if I was able to switch off the thinking mind and really tap into that playful creativity. The wonkier my lines and the freer my gestures, the more the drawings pop off the pages. You know, you can feel that flow when you draw. And sometimes you do, but all too often your inner critic will pop up and hold you back from daring to just draw, from making mistakes and wonky lines. You feel a fear about wanting your drawing to be perfect. And that fear might even hold you back, and then you find yourself not even daring to start. I totally get it. You want to have fun drawing, but right now you're worried and you kind of struggle. You know how you would like your drawings to look, but then when you make a drawing, you're sort of disappointed about the result. Well, I cannot give you any shortcuts. The fastest way to get better at drawing, become fearless and more confident about your skills is doing it a lot. And I mean a lot. If I want to run a marathon, I can't run right away, but I can train for it by running a lot and often. And that way I build stamina. My running techniques get better. I can add more distance to my training. It takes work and time and energy. I may have a few moments where I feel like giving up, but in the end, when I keep training, I will be able to run that marathon. I probably won't be the fastest, but I will be able to enjoy the hours of running and the accomplishment of hitting that finish line. For feeling free when drawing, it's the same. Draw, 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 and then draw more. Let me show you a few tricks to push the inner critic away and to make looser drawings. Don't hold your pen or pencil tight. No need to squeeze the line out of it. Relax your hand, relax your wrist, your shoulders. Breathe. Try holding your pencil further away from the tip. That also loosens your grip and line. When you draw with a pencil, a crayon or a colored pencil, make use of that tool and keep turning it in your hand so that you make use of its tip, but also it loosens your grip. You'll see that your line cannot be straight that way, which is exactly what you want. Let's steer away from even trying to make a perfect straight line. If you purposefully draw wonky instead of trying to get it right, your drawings will become more dynamic and energetic, playful. Draw with your non-dominant hand and giggle your way through your very wonky drawing. When using your non-dominant hand, you'll have much less control. And so there is no way to meet any perfectionist expectations. The wonkier, the better. Sometimes, if I feel myself stiffening up because I want to get it right, I swap hands. So instead of my right hand, which is my dominant hand, I just start coloring or drawing with my left hand, and it adds so much liveliness. If you tense up because you're working in a sketchbook that was expensive, that's not good. Use a cheap paper sketchbook then, so that you're not precious about your drawings. Do what kids do and explore. Set the bar low. Make it easy to access your tools and use your favorite tools. Use your favorite colors and enjoy that. Do what kids do and explore. Make it playtime rather than serious art time. If it's important to you, put in the hours. And if you draw very regularly, you will see improvement in your skills. And that will encourage you to keep going. Your sketchbook is your creative playground and your creative gym to work out and practice so your skills get better. You gain confidence and you fill your sketchbook. Now go and play. Your assignment for this week is to make the wonkiest drawing you have ever made. Let me know in the comments how that went. If you like this video, then hit the like button and also please subscribe to this channel. Maybe you like my style of teaching here on Drill Tip Tuesday, then definitely check out my workshop schedule and see if you can join one of my classes online or in person in Malta, France, Italy, Germany, Switzerland, the US, to name just a few. And for more inspiration, join me on Patreon. I'll give you even more tips and advice for your sketchbook practice to get you going and to keep you going. Now, go and make your wonky drawing. Have fun. See you next week. Bye.